Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and are staying safe in your homes today. I have a special purpose of coming up here today. In fact, I have two purposes. First, I would like to say a big thank you to each one of you who have shown confidence and have supported RD Advisory in the past 9 months. We are up from 0 to 100 plus clients and 500 plus Facebook followers in a span of less than 9 months. I thank each one of you for this. Second, I would like to discuss something about the pandemic which we are facing right now. We all are into this together. Nobody is immune to it. Some might be getting affected less, some might be more, but we all are into this, and we have to come out of this together. I request each one of you to help those needy who are facing serious difficulties in meeting their daily requirements. Help them out, because they are the one who we will be banking once this lockdown is over. We would be needing them. So this is my request. I know you all must be doing this, but still I would like to request each one of you to help those. And now I would like to discuss something about investments. As you know, we have a basket of financial products ranging from mutual fund, insurance, stocks, bonds, fixed deposits. Today I would like to focus on one section which is pretty much in everybody's mind right now, that is SIPs. I have categorized SIPs in 4 parts. First, I would like to address those people who are not facing any sort of cash crunch, and they have an insured liquidity in months to come. I would request them to continue with your SIPs, and if possible top up those SIPs, because these are the times we have all waited. These are the times which help in wealth creation over the long run. When markets are down 20, 30, 40%, these are abnormal situations. They don't happen usually. These situations come once in a decade, or maybe once in 2 decades. So I would request each one of you to take advantage of this. Continue with your SIPs, and if possible do some top up or lump sum purchases in consultation with your advisors. Don't go on your own. Take help of a financial advisor. They are more aware about it and are comparatively more knowledgeable in this field. Second are those people who are expecting some sort of a cut in their income because of this pandemic. I would request you to not stop your SIPs until and unless you are facing serious crunches in terms of liquidity. Everyone is thinking to conserve cash for the times and days ahead, because we all are not knowing when this lockdown is getting over and when we'll be out. So there is no harm in conserving cash. Have sufficient amount of cash, and still if you think that you have more cash or liquidity to surpass the next 6 months, I would request you to continue with your SIPs. And if you think that you cannot and you don't have the ammunitions for the next 6 months, I would request you to use the pause option which has been recently introduced by SEBI instead of stop. Pause give you an option to temporarily hold deduction of SIPs from your account. You can select the tenure. It ranges from 1 to 6 months. Third is the category of people who are already into problems and are facing difficulties in meeting the next month's requirement. I would request them to stop your SIPs and kindly focus on your immediate needs. I know it's difficult for me to tell you to stop SIPs, but if that's the situation, this is the way it has to be. You have to stop your SIPs and ensure that you have sufficient amount of cash for the next 6 months, because we are not knowing when we are out of it. So they can stop, and if they are planning for a redemption from their existing investments, I would advise them to do it in a staggered manner. Don't do it at one go, because markets are fluctuating every day. We are down. We went down 40% from the highs we hit in Feb or Jan, and then we recovered around 30% from the lows which we hit on the 23rd of March. So staggering your redemptions is also a good option, which would ensure liquidity as well as no big hit on the portfolio. Fourth is the another category of people who are new investors, or you can call them first time investors. It's the most opportune time for them to start investing with a long term horizon of maybe 10 years, 15 years. You can start an SIP into equity funds and make some lump sum purchases if possible for you. This would be a great time to start. So this is all I wanted to say today with respect to SIPs. If you have any questions, any queries, you can get in touch with me. I am available through the Facebook page, through my WhatsApp number, over calls. So you can get in touch with me. I am also working from home right now, as you all are doing. So I am available 24/7. You can drop in a message if I am not able to pick up your calls. You can mail me even. We have an email ID. All the contact details are mentioned in the description of this video. And just stay safe at your homes. Don't go out. Everything can be done from your homes. Nowadays everything has been digitalized. All investments can be done digitally. You don't need to go out, do some paperwork, signatures. Everything can be done digitally. So it's my request, stay safe, stay in homes, keep your family in good health, and take care of the society nearby you. Thank you all.